Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to send a meeting invite in Outlook. This is an essential skill for coordinating schedules and ensuring everyone gets the details they need for upcoming meetings, all within one organized platform. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account to load in your emails. Once you've signed in, give it a moment to fully load your inbox and sync all your information. This ensures you're working with the most up-to-date contacts and calendar data. Once your email has loaded, it's time to navigate to the calendar section. Head to your calendar menu, which is located on the bottom left of your screen. You'll see a calendar icon there. Click on it to proceed. This takes you to your calendar view where you can see all your scheduled events and available time slots. Now that you're on the calendar menu, the process of sending a meeting invite in Outlook becomes quite straightforward. Simply select the calendar date you want to schedule the meeting on and double-click on that date box. This action will direct you to an email composition screen where your meeting invite is automatically set to the date you've chosen. From here, start by adding in the title for this meeting invite in the provided field at the top. Choose something clear and descriptive so attendees immediately understand the purpose of the meeting. Then configure the start and end time for this meeting using the time fields. Make sure these times work for your schedule and the key participants. Once you've configured the timing, it's now time to add in your attendees. Click on the Invite Attendees button located on the top part of your screen. You'll notice two fields will be added, the required and optional fields. This distinction is helpful because it lets people know whether their attendance is mandatory or simply encouraged. From here, simply type or select the email contact of your required attendees, along with any optional attendees. Outlook will often auto-suggest contacts as you type, making this process even faster. After configuring your attendee list, you can now add the meeting agenda on the body of the email. This is where you provide context, share relevant documents, or outline what will be discussed. Being clear here helps everyone come prepared. Then click on Send to send the meeting invite. All your attendees will receive the invitation directly in their inboxes, and it will appear on their calendars as well. And that's it. You've successfully sent a meeting invite in Outlook, making coordination simple and professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.